Hello everyone, this is Dr. Karuna Sree. Today we will discuss about the medicines in homeopathic first aid kit. These are the basic medicines which are very useful in the first aid aspects. Homeopathic medicines are also very effective in preventive as well as curative aspects also. Let us see the medicines which are useful for the first aid. Minor cuts and bruises are a part of everyday life. Every household should have a small first aid kit handy for these common incidents. If you prefer to try homeopathy medicine, here is a guide to building your own homeopathic first aid kit. Many homeopaths came to homeopathy in the first place through a positive experience of using a remedy in the first aid situation. So, we wanted to give you some top tips to put together your own remedy kit to use in first aid situations for yourself, friends and family. Here are some of the key remedies homeopaths use all the time. These would make a great start if you are just looking to start building up your own kit. Unexpected accidents with adults and children can always happen at home. A cut with a razor blade, burn from a hot plate, a sting by a bee or insect, fall from the stool or staircase in a common place. First aid is also essential for outdoor activities like a trekking or a camping, desert travel or any backpack hike. Homeopathic first aid home kit provides pain relief, address any symptoms of emergency like vomiting or loose motions in a train or bus or a sudden allergic reaction. When things can go wrong occasionally, you need a well-stocked kit to meet any emergency. Keep one kit at home today itself. In my view, the homeopathic first aid kit should have the following homeopathic medicines which are very useful and essential during first aid. Those are Arnica, Hypericum urticarians, Rustox, Symphytum, Calendula, Epis, Nux vomica, Pulsatilla, Silesia, Sulfur, Arsenicum album, Aconite, Ipecac, Ruta, Belladonna, Bryonia and Natrum. For injuries, trauma and bruising, cuts, Arnica, Leadenpal, Rustox, Symphytum and Calendula. For soft tissues injuries, Calendula external works very well. For even burns and scalds, Calendula works very well. For food poisoning, diarrhea, vomitings, Arsenicum album works very well, and other remedies are Nux vomica, Veratrum album, Podophyllum. This is the season of summer. For fevers, sunstrokes, homeopathy has very effective remedies. These medicines we can use both as preventive as well as curative purpose. During pandemics also, we can use these medicines as preventives. The common homeopathic preventives for the fever are Belladonna, Pyrogenum, Eupatorium puff, Aconite, Baptisia. The polycrust medicines in the first aid box acts on different varieties of symptoms. They will treat multiple complaints at a time. For example, if we take Arsenicum album, it's a polycrust remedy. It will relieve the symptoms of food poisoning, cold, cough, fever, and widely it is used as a preventive for COVID in the last few years. This is the greatness of homeopathy. A single medicine acts for multiple complaints. In the homeopathic first aid kit, we can keep very effective medicines for different types of headaches also. Some are Natrum, Belladonna, Nux vomica, Gelsemium, Bryonia, Glonine. For respiratory complaints like cold, different varieties of cough, breathlessness, dust allergy, the medicines which we have to keep in the first aid box are Arsenicum album, Bryonia, Antimtat, Carbovage, and Nitrum sulf. For joint pains, we can keep Rustox, Arnica, Bryonia in our first aid box. Finally, the important medicines in homeopathic first aid kit includes for fevers, aconite, belladonna, eupatorium puff, for cold, allianzipa, arsenicum album, for cough, bryonia, arsenicum album, indigestion, nux vomica, for vomiting, epicock, loose motions or diarrhea, arsenicum album, veratrum album and podophyllum, and for headaches, belladonna, glonine, nitramure, for injuries, arnica, ruta, symphytum, for boils and infections, Hiparsulf, for body pains, Rustox, arnica. Homeopathy is supposed to work miracles. Please take the medicines under the supervision of a good homeopath only. Don't misuse the medicines. These are the very effective medicines without side effects. Thank you so much. Please watch, share, subscribe, like to our videos and promote our channel.